Morag's wardrobe supplied by Hollies. Hairstyles by David Church Associates.
We bought a puppy for the kids. They told us that was what they wanted. Oh, how they promised to be good. They wash and brush and feed and walk it.
We've had the puppy for a month now, but it's just not working out. It seems the kids have lost all interest in those chores we talked about.
So now we're cleaning out the doghouse while Rover's digging up the lawn. And we've deodorized our broadloom, but the smell is never gone.
We got dog hair on the sofa. We got teeth marks on the stairs. We got scratches on our front door. We got treats on all our chairs.
We got fleas on all our clothing. We got towels we can't use. By day he's snoring on my pillow. By night he slobbers in my shoes.
He buries beef bones in the laundry. He sleeps while burglars steal our car. He chases parked cars in the plaza. That's how he got that ugly scar. Lotta.
Then one day we had him neutered. He always had a roving eye. He still hangs out with all the girl dogs, but he can't remember why.
So if you wanna buy a puppy, you should put your kids on trial. Find yourself a willing owner and rent his canine for a while.
And if you can't locate a rental and your optimism sours, call us here at the station and we'll be glad to give you ours.